Hello everyone, have a beautiful and a blessed full moon ahead. Today, those who always make the moon water, today in the evening between 6:30 to 7:30, do make your moon waters. Those who don't know how to make the moon water can watch my previous full moon videos also, or it's very simple. Just keep some water under the moon and put one or two rose quartz tumbles inside the vessel and keep it for half an hour under the full moon's energy and let it be the blessed moon water. A simple way of doing for people who don't follow Wicca, who don't follow any spiritual modality, so they can follow this. And this water can be used as a bathing water for you all. You can use it as water to wash your crystals, even for mopping the house and to bring positive energies in the house. This water can be used. So now I'm going to do pull a card today. So I'm going to keep two cards for card 1 and I'm going to keep another two cards for card 2. So I give you a couple of seconds to just think whether you want to go with this cards or you want to go with this card. This is card 1 and this is card 2. So just take a couple of seconds and call on your angels, archangels, call on the divine and call on the god or goddesses with whom you connect and ask them which is the card for you today. Okay, so I hope you all have taken the decision. Let's go with card 1. The two cards which has come is the King of Wands and the Palace of Coins. And that's a beautiful card. Can you see? The Palace of Coins. I see a lot of abundance filled today for you all. A day of luxuries, a day of abundance, and somewhere even work related you will feel as if you have achieved. So maybe if you see from my from this card's point of view, not from my point of view, from this card's point of view, there's a lot of growth, there's a lot of abundance, and there's a lot of prosperity your way today. And overall, when I'm seeing the Palace of Coins, basically I feel as if the if you see in the close, okay, this is showing that you just can just feel safe, you can feel secure, things or your goals are going to get fulfilled and it's going to happen miraculously. You don't have to worry, and if you've been worrying about it, then stop worrying, because now the things will change and this full moon is blessing you with lots of beautiful changes in life, because the King of Wands is just more like a winning card, and it says whatever you have been planning, whatever you have been working on, it's going to happen, and it's going to happen the way you want, and you're going to be very very happy that it has happened. Just use your knowledge, use your charisma, use your positivity around you, and the goal is all yours. So I want to say one thing from today: if you have pyrite or if you have green aventurine, carry a pyrite or green aventurine with you till the upcoming full moon, so that whatever is your goal or determination, it's happening and you are successful in it. So let's go to the card 2. Let's see what is in the cards 2. Yet another beautiful combination, the Knight of Coins and Queen of Coins. So even this, if you see, is a card of abundance, card of happiness, more than abundance and happiness, card of victory. Do you see the Knight of Coins? It's all green over there. It is as if I don't have to worry about anything, I don't have to break my head over anything. I have everything in control with me, and I am in control of my situation. One more thing, when I see these cards, what I feel is you are beginning a beautiful journey of abundance from this full moon onwards, and this beginning is going to provide you everything that you need, be it love, be it happiness. So I'm actually happy that I did a select a card reading, because both the cards are showing growth and abundance, and this full moon, somewhere the gods and the goddesses are going to bless you abundantly. God bless you all and have a beautiful and a blessed full moon ahead.